Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add live chat to your Shopify store. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called Elsite. Elsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is live chat. So let's click sign up for free. Now you want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. It's really up to you. And when you will have it, click login. Right here in applications, you want to write in the search live, and then you're gonna see it here, line chat, Facebook, Vimeo, or just right here all, and we are going to find the one we're looking for, and let's go to just all, and let's find it like this, all in one chat. This is it. Let's create a widget. Right here you can option to go with the support, general, sale, booking. Let's go with the general. Let's continue with the template, and now you can simply add it to Facebook Messenger, to WhatsApp. If you don't have it, you don't have to have it there. You can also simply choose just Facebook, just Telegram, just WhatsApp. It's completely fine. Then you have like content here, chat bubble, you can add it or change it, and change chat header, you can also edit a photo. And then just click save here. Right after you do it, need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you have already 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise, or you can choose annual version. Now let's copy the code here. What you want to do then is just simply go to your themes in online store in your dashboard, go to actions, edit code. Right here in theme liquid, you just want to go Control F and write template. And right under the body class template request page type handle, you want to paste the code that we copied right here. So just paste it and then just click save on right top corner, and let's preview the website. And right bottom corner we can see right here that we got our chat. And this is pretty much it, how you add live chat to your Shopify. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some value and guidance. Also, if this video was helpful, you can support and subscribe, and I'll be really thankful if you give me a like button. And yeah, thank you very much, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.